Let's take a look at our new Content Creator Dream Studio. We're super excited about this platform. If you are somebody that wants to create content, whether you want to sell it, monetize your mind, or you just want to create a faceless channel or look for ways to add content to your existing pages, this is a program that you may want to look into. I have been telling people for years, training them, helping them, telling them that they need to monetize their mind. There's so much information that you have from years of experience, from things that you've done. And many times we just struggle with overthinking, overanalyzing. If we can just take that information that's in our mind and marry it with a program like this, the output will be amazing and hopefully allow you to generate a side hustle income. I'm Anna Brandt, and I've been a photographer for 27 years, and I've been monetizing my mind as long as I can remember. So let's take a look. Up on the top, you're going to see post, reel cover, story, TikTok, carousel, or faceless channel. Okay, you can save. We have a library. We have AI Studio, my personal favorite. And then, of course, you can export. So let's just go to super easy things. Maybe you just want to put something on your social media about a nice quote or something. Maybe a reel cover, a story, a post, faceless channel, whatever. And we just want to write about something. So let's just drop in a photo. I have some of my Laura AI images. Growth lives just past the comfortable. That's under mindset. Doubt is loud. Do it anyway. I really like that one. So we like that one. Let's look at our shade. I'm going to make it a little bit darker. And then I'm going to just kind of change the font. I'm going to change the size. And then I can generate a caption. And I love it. I love that caption. Doubt is loud, do it anyway. Here's what most people get wrong about mindset and what to do instead. How you frame a setback shapes whether you try again. Self-task influences performance more than people expect. Influences performance more than people expect. Naming an emotion reduces how much it ruins you. I love that. I love everything about that. Okay, so we can save this, all right? And you can see that there's, different things we can do. There's tons of content already in here, but of course you can write your own. Believe in you. You can add it. And there you go. All right. So this alone, the business, the motivation, the social media, entrepreneurial spirit, health, wellness, mindset, money blocks, inspiration, time blocking. I'm sure we will add more quotes and facts. What's great about this is you can incorporate this just in your everyday accounts. Or if you want to create a faceless channel or another channel, maybe a money block channel, a business channel, a motivation channel. This is a huge industry, huge. This is a great way to create content, upload your image, drag and drop, all of that fun stuff. Now, let's go into the AI Studio, because to me, this is the gem, the pearl, if you will, of this whole amazing program. So we're going to go into AI Studio, okay? And we can do ideas, write, or product. Product is my favorite. I've already created one, already posted it on Instagram to test it out. So you can go to my Instagram.com/AnnaBrandt to see if you can find the product. But let's just say we're going to put something in here. Let's just say, what do I want to create or sell? I want to create a checklist for maybe new moms of how to prepare for their newborn session. For me, we want them to feed baby upon arrival. We have the clothing, so no need to bring clothing. Now, keep in mind, you could just make this a sentence and let the AI write the rest, but I like to put in as much information as I can. They can send images of inspiration. Bring any nursery mementos. Come relaxed, bring breakfast, etc. Write a simple checklist for moms to prepare for their newborn photography session. Now, maybe I want to do this for parents as a free download. Maybe I want to put this on my website, or maybe I want to sell this as a product to another photographer, whether it's $1, $5, $10. There are things that people sell all day long. And let me tell you, before AI, we had to sit and write this all down. Now, we're not just letting the AI write it for us. The whole point of monetizing your mind is taking what's inside your brain, your ideas, your experiences, and talking to like a best friend and going, hey, I think I want to write this, but rather than writing it out in Word or Pages and then second guessing yourself and doubting yourself and spell checking and wondering if it sounds right and then putting it into ChatGPT and asking a friend, you can kind of come in here and do all this and let the AI help you write it. So then we're going to come in here. We're going to say it's a checklist. We're going to generate a prompt. Let's put in my branding. I'm going to say Anna Brandt Photography, my website, because this is going to be just for my clients. So I'll say Anna Brandt, but if I was selling it would be Anna Brandt Education. I'm going to put my email and call to action, book your newborn session. Visit our website for details. But if I was selling this, I may have a different call to action, and you can upload the logo. I'm not gonna put that in right now, and you can put in brand colors, whatever you want. And then we're gonna let it do its work. So let's just pick a different color. That's fine. And then we're gonna generate product and go get a cup of coffee. Come back. Now, there are 2 plans with this. This is a promo. We have a 48-hour promo. So the $49 has a little bit of a limit in your plan. It's listed on the website of how many generations you can do a day. And then the promo for 48 hours is $99, which is unlimited generations, meaning you can create unlimited products. But obviously, we're paying for the back end of all of this. So there has to be some type of thing. So you can see I have 25 AI generations left today. If you have an unlimited access code, enter it. That would be for the people that are spending $99 or more. If you ever get a notice that you reach your cap, then we will give you a code to change it. If you're at the $49 and you reach your cap and you need to upgrade it, then you would talk to us. You should be able to generate as much as you can. So baby ready, the new, it's all here. We can edit it. So we can type in and we can go, I like that. I don't like that. Edit it. We can download a cover image. We can do a hook because we want to put this on a reel, a caption. We can make another. We can download the PDF. So look at that. Baby ready, the new mom's ultimate newborn session prep checklist. Everything you need to do and bring to make your baby's first photo shoot stress-free and running. Feed baby right before you arrive. Skip the outfit stress. Send your inspiration images. Gather your meaningful nursery details. Fuel yourself. Arrive calm and rested. How fun is that? How fun is that? Super fun. And it's ready to go. Now, this program, I just built it. So like anything, it's going to grow and we're going to do all sorts of other amazing things with it, like all of my other programs. Whether you want to generate content for your own purposes or you want to sell it, I think you should sell it. This is the program from you. Also, on June 19th, I'm starting a 7-day free class of how to monetize your mind and make your first $100. So I look forward to seeing you on the inside.